one here, one over here, one there. This is 8. These 3 are 10. Put everything back. This one, and that one from there. Don't know if you see that one. Have 3 sensors. This one, that one, that one, that one, and here, this one, that one. Okay. One here. And this one. This one you need to, that one, this one. But I finish here. This is how it looks. Here you have to screw here. And you need to pull down this one, what I show you, all the screw from here. And this one I change. It's better to buy new one when you start. This is the DPF, and this one was broke. Here we have a problem. We need to fix this, change this one. And now we need to cut this one and put the new one. And like this is here.
You don't need to remove the wheel and the arm. This is all for today. I was Julian. If you like my video and helps you, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and leave a comment down below. Have a nice day.